Hi, everybody. A very good afternoon. 5 minutes to 12. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So, a very good morning to you once again on a lovely black coffee. This is a French brand that I'm enjoying right now. It's dark black coffee. A lot of people are not comfortable having black coffee, but black coffee has a lot of benefits and stuff, And the best is that if you're recovering and if you're not feeling good and great, and if you're not able to focus and concentrate and you want energy, go for a black coffee. I'd already shared this before. There are so many flavors of coffee which are available all across the globe and in the world and stuff, and India is nowhere behind and stuff. And we've got almost everything available here, packaged and grown in down south, and we have other coffee gardens in India and stuff. And France, of course, and Europe, of course, is very popular for coffee, and so are other countries. So on a Sunday, on a weekend, as I enjoy my coffee and I go through the papers and stuff, I'm doing a share which is actually on retail. Retail, because that's something which I really enjoy and that I've done, not all my life. I mean, I'm just halfway there, but I've done quite a lot of work in retail and stuff. And it seems that retail is booming and picking up in India. We've got lots of brands that are looking at India as a destination and stuff. So there's this one particular brand which I used to follow quite a bit, and I see they have a new showroom opening up in Delhi, which is actually a French brand called Dom. And Dom is one of the largest showrooms, which is going to be comprising of glass works and stuff like that. Why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this because they are going to be kind of correlating innovation with modern work and stuff, and they're going to have lots and lots of products which are all glass. So. Over the years, I've been sharing on social media and otherwise glass works, so glass figurines, glass installations. In India, you've got these Jhumar concept, which is a chandelier concepts and stuff like that. And you've got beautiful mirrors, which are from Rajasthan, which are Moroccan, and they are such interesting works which happen in our country. So this French brand is coming in and they're opening up their first showroom, which is going to be at Gitoni. So I'm so looking forward it. So I'm excited about it. So I'm sharing it because this is something which is in our industry and stuff. So let me read out to you. Dom's story actually started in 1878 in the city of Nancy, which is France, where industrialists called Jean Don laid the foundation, which is for a store that becomes the most revered names in glass artistry. And the brand had completely gained prominence and established its roots everywhere, and they've been focusing more on nature. They're inspired by nature because they have floral motifs and piring techniques which are basically on multi-layered